treasure hunt. I long for something new. Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance? Oh, I wish it was me.
Hello YouTube family, welcome back to the channel. How are you guys doing? Today we are going to be styling my kitchen and dining nook for the fall season. As you guys can see, I've already prepped the area. Everything is already clean and wiped down. Everything that's on the counter, it's stuff that just remains there throughout the year. I've already added some decor pieces on top because I was not gonna get on a ladder on camera. So I added those two little pumpkin decorative pieces, candle holder that I picked up from Home Goods. It's a big and a small one. I added my wreath that I've gotten from Home Goods. Also these little mushrooms I picked them up last year from Bells for like 60 cents a piece. So I've already added some decorative pieces on top of the cabinet. Guys, if you are new to my channel, welcome. If you are returning subscribers, welcome back. Thank you for all your love. Thank you for all your support. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Please don't forget to put your notification bell on so you can be notified when I upload a new video. Guys, I'm still fighting. I'm still trying to get to that 1,000 subscriber. I am trying to push my channel. Please, please, please continue to show your support and your love by liking the video, leaving a comment, letting me know how you feel about this styling today. Please guys, show your love like you have been doing. Share the video with family or friend. Again, if you are new here, I hope you decide to stay. I hope you like what you see. Please do subscribe to the channel and show me your love. This is the dining nook off of the kitchen that we're also going to be styling today. Let's get decorating, guys. So on this side of the kitchen, I'm adding this tier marble tray that I picked up from Marshall's. I actually repainted the base because you know in the kitchen sometimes the heat it just peels off, so I just repainted it and it looks nice and fresh. It comes in a two set, a big and a smaller one. And now I'm adding this beautiful little lamp that I picked up from HomeSense just to bring in the cozy vibe, you know, the warm lighting into the kitchen for the fall season. Now I'm adding my Magnolia book that I picked up from Amazon. I really need to start using this cooking book, guys. And I'm adding this little ginger jar with this sunflower, like the orangey sunflower leaves in there. And just adding a little pumpkin with a little plate underneath it. This little mushroom and squirrel, I picked them up from Target. It actually came in like more of a bronze color and I just painted it more of the gold that I like. This marble tray, pumpkin marble tray, I picked it up last year from Home Goods. I also repainted the stems in a different shade of gold because it was like a lighter champagne color. So I gave it a nice fresh of paint just to pop in the gold a little bit more, just to add my touch to it. And now I'm adding this marble tray stand, however you want to call it. And I'm going to be adding this cloche or dome. Actually, this is it's actually a candle, and I'm just using it as like a dessert, like a pecan dessert. And I'm not going to burn it, guys, because I'm gonna use it again next year. So I just burn candles that are not decorative. Any candles that are decorative, I use them for decoration purposes, and then I reuse them the following year. And this little casserole dish picked up from Ross last year, I absolutely love it, and it's going on my stove. And these little figurines, I got them from Marshall's. Over on this side, I'm adding this little canister from, I believe, Papa Shelf. I picked it up last year. And I'm adding this little vase. I don't know, it's not a vase, it's something you use in your coffee area. I just add some flowers to it and then put it right over there. I picked up this coffee mug from Home Centric, Bell's Home Centric, and I'm also adding it there. And this is my little salt and pepper shaker that I picked up from Home Goods. Absolutely cute. It has like the gold details on top. And I believe I picked up that sign, the pumpkin spice sign, over at the Dollar Tree. I did forget to, I'm adding this over because I wanted to hide the cord, so I'm adding this little tabletop decor that I picked up from Ross to hide the cord there. Over on this side of the kitchen counter, I'm adding this paper towel holder that I picked up from Home Goods, I believe earlier this year. This pitcher I picked up from Home Goods, and I just have my hydrangeas in there. I can't remember where I picked it up from, either Home Goods or Marshall. Guys, this picture it's like a clip art from Etsy. I just go on Etsy, buy whatever pictures that I want, and I print them at Walgreens, and I add them to my picture frames for whatever season as a decorative piece, either in my kitchen or my coffee bar. Adding my kitchen towels that I picked up from Ross. This soap dispenser actually came in pink and white, so I just painted it gold. I picked up these beautiful floral arrangement with like the sugary fruits apple. I picked them up from Home Goods this year. Now over to the dining hook. We are going to be styling that area. Right now I'm adding these taper candles that I picked up from Ross. I'm adding them to my Z Gallery sconces. Absolutely love them. They came in a set of 4. I got them from Ross for like $4.99, and there was 4 in the box. I'm adding this beautiful marble tray to the center of the table. I've already did my floor arrangement, picked up the marble tray from Ross, I believe. The ginger jars from Home Goods. Those beautiful pumpkin table mats are also from Home Goods. I believe I picked up those plates from Ross during the holiday season. During Christmas season, I picked them up from Ross, and they were like $4.99 each, I believe. For the dinner plate, and the salad plates were $3.99. Those beautiful pumpkin bowls, I picked them up last year at Hobby Lobby. They didn't come back this year, so I'm not sure if they'll come back again, but I have not yet seen them yet for this year. These little pumpkins, they're actually name tags, and I just added them to the center of the bowl as a decorative piece. I picked up those beautiful glasses on clearance at Home Goods, I believe. I'm looking for 2 more. Haven't been able to find them yet. Guys, I absolutely love how everything turned out in my kitchen. I'm loving this whole pop of orange. Everything feels so cozy. I enjoy my home. Guys, remember, your home is your peace and your happy place. Style it to your liking and your taste. I hope you enjoy this video. I'm adding this little hurricane with this candle inside on the corner. Later on in the final reveal, you'll see some changes in it.
You say take me on a treasure hunt. I long for something new. Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance? Oh, I wish it was me every night. When I close my eyes, I see trust you when you say that beauty lives in me too. Later it comes later, dear, for many of us. Promise you that we learn through the wrongs, and even the rough can be sweet. Just close your eyes and know beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say that beauty lives in me too. It's gonna take some time to get there. I don't care. I'm in for the fight. It's gonna take some time, but I know that beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say that beauty lives in me too. Beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say that beauty lives in me too. You say take me on a treasure hunt. I long for something new. Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance? Oh, I wish it was me every night. When I close my eyes, I see trust you when you say that beauty lives in me too. Later it comes later, dear, for many of us. Promise you that we learn through the wrongs, and even the rough can be sweet. So I trust you when you say that beauty lives in me too. Beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say.
Hello, YouTube family. We have come to the end of the video. I really do hope you enjoyed this. Decorate with me on how I style my kitchen and dining nook for the fall season for 2025. Please guys, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to put your notification bell on so you can be notified when I upload a new video, guys. Again, leave me a comment below. Tell me how you liked the video. What was your favorite part in the kitchen? What you liked about it? And again, guys, as I've always said, your home is your peace, your comfort, your sanctuary. Style it and decorate it to your liking. Until the next time, have a blessed one.
So I trust you when you say that beauty.